Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I am going to be doing an unboxing today. I entered a giveaway, and the giveaway was a Print Pressions kit with the collaboration with Scribble. And so I did enter on her video and I won, and I was really excited because I have been wanting to try the Hobonichi / Print Pressions style, you know, the kind of tin thing. And so, yeah, I have got to get the inserts and everything for it, but I wanted to show you what I won. They included this envelope. I did open up everything and look through it already, but I just kind of want to show you guys what is in here. I know that from what I've learned from the Print Pressions site, if you order like a hybrid kit, then you get the cover and then you get all of the goodies that are inside here. Now, because I did win a contest, she included this really sweet note, which I love, and then she included a few extras. So we have this one, it's a full box cover up. It says Planner Friends Make the Best Friends, which is absolutely true. And a few just like scribble prints, Happy Meal, Wiggle It Wednesday, Newbie Laces, really cute. Got 4, I would call these the bougie boxes. Either that or just a full box overlay, but I'm pretty sure this is bougie boxes. It looks like them to me in silver foil. And then she has this in silver foil. They're just the font, the words. I love this font. Everything is so easily used. I mean, this is very functional for me, so I love that. And then this includes this pack and the actual Print Pressions itself, and here we go. I'm so excited. This is beautiful. Okay, here we go. This is her. I don't know what I'm gonna name her yet, but this is her, and she is gorgeous. So we have the pink soft leather with the white leather with the pink elastics. Of course, you have the Scribble Prints Co. foiled bow on the corner there. Oh my gosh, I just love this. So this is what she looks like opened up. I really love that you have this back here with the crisscross pockets here. Now, my understanding, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, but my understanding is that you put the back part of your Print Pressions weeklies, you put the hardbound part, you put that back here and close it, and then this is for any of the inserts that you want to use, including that. And then, of course, these are for decoration, which is always lots of fun. I just love this combination. It's a beautiful gray with a very pretty dusty pink. The white is just stunning. I'm really excited. This leather, I mean, it is just, it's beautiful. It really is beautiful, and I am so excited. So this is going to be what I use for my very functional, serious planning. I'm going to have to order the Print Pressions and the inserts. I do know that I'm going to have to wait until at least the 2nd because she is closed right now, or he is closed right now. And so I've got to wait, and I will have to do some back planning in here, I'm sure, because it may take a while to get to me. But that's okay. I'm excited about it. And that's what you're going to be seeing me use this year. And I can't believe I've been wanting one of these. So when sometimes when you enter things, you enter them thinking, man, I'd love to have that, but I'll never win. But, oh well, let's go ahead and, I won. I was so excited. So I am going to try to use some of the stickers that I already have. So what I'm going to attempt to do is do my very functional planning, use up as many of the older stickers of my collection. So this is going to hopefully be where I transition my Use It Up series to. And then I want my Erin Condren that I will be hauling soon. Hopefully it will become more of my decorative, enjoyable kind of planning situation. So yeah, that's what I'm hoping for, but that's beautiful. All right, now that I have shown you those things, I want to show you what's in this pack. Let me get it unwrapped. Okay, this is what we have here. First of all, we have some washi. Absolutely love the washi. You have the pink with gold foil dots. It's just little polka dots of different sizes, more like confetti. And then we have this marble background with the gold foil bows. So cute. Really, really cute from Pressions. Then they also included 2 of your pin loops, one in pink and one in the marble background, but they both have the Scribble Prince Co. bow in foil. Oh gosh, so adorable. I will get into this in a minute, but this is the kit that came with it. And these are my papers. So the first one, oh guys, I'm just so in love with this. This is just a, you know, a clear with gold bows and polka dots or confetti, I guess is what you would call it. But guys, you can see the little bows all over, but it is so cute. And I cannot wait to find a way to kind of maybe cut this and use it in my Pressions and make it all girly and fun. Okay, the next one that I have here is marble on this side. It's just a really pretty, it's a satiny sheen to it. It's a nice heavy weight. And then on this side you have just a simple pink with white bow. I love that so much. Okay, and then this one, this is the Scribble Prince Co. bow, as we all know and recognize, on pink. And then this side is, again, the marble. I love that you get 2 of the marble with the bows. This will most likely be the one that I use over the other. I may use the other for inserts or something like that, but I love her bows. And so I was really excited to get a sheet that has that. Then here we have, this is just like the first paper that I showed you, or you know, acrylic or whatever. I don't even know what those are called, but I do know this is called vellum, and it is the same pattern, but of course on vellum. But it is so cute. It has that simple bow with the confetti dots all over it in the gold foil. It's just beautiful. I love it. I have never been able to find any of these kinds of things in the stores anywhere, so it's just been, like, for me, really exciting to see that I'm getting some that are all in a kit, and all I have to do is set it up and leave it like that, and I'm really excited. Okay, here is another sheet with this marbling, the same kind of texture. Here we have some of those simple bows, but they are dark pink instead of white. So cute. And then again, we have some more vellum, but this time it is in the marble print. Oh gosh, I cannot wait to use this stuff, guys. I just can't wait to use it. Then we have another sheet, which is the last sheet has a pale pink with the Scribble Prince darker pink bow and some more of this marble. And that gets us back to the first page. And I'm just really so excited, guys. I am so excited. I mean, I have so many things that will go with this, but I just love the idea of setting this up and that sort of thing. Now, let me show you the sticker kit that came with this. It's an ultimate kit, I'm pretty sure. Now, this one I haven't opened and looked at, but I just want to go over it with you. I don't even know if this is for sale in her shop, but if it is, I do love these full boxes. So I would say it's beautiful and worth grabbing. Okay, so here we do have the little extras of the those Andrea Munchkins, which are so cute. I love the half box with the different choices there. Really cute. Of course, we do have the glitter headers, which is usually an add-on choice with her kits. So let's go ahead and look and see what we've got. This is Planner Girl Heaven. I just love a double seam, but this one is so clean and neat. I just don't know how I'm gonna choose a week to use this because it is absolutely perfect. I love this kit. I've always loved her stickers. This just, you know, something that I've always enjoyed using is a set of her stickers in this really pretty glossy. They move easily. There's a great weight to the stickers and that sort of thing. If you have never used Scribble Prince Co., if you're new to the planning world, trust me, she's the sticker queen. But anyway, the title of this is just, it says Print Pression, because I believe this was created strictly for this kit. I'm not sure if you can get it in the store, but if you can get it in her store, I would grab it. I just love it. This with the cart and all of the goodies. Oh my gosh, I just love it. And of course we have a print impression down here. It wouldn't be complete without that, would it? Okay, we have some headers, some littles, some boxes. You have quarter boxes, fancy labels, and half boxes. So this is probably just a like a small kit, I would say, with the added glitter headers. So we have some functional items here for the sidebar, trackers, some icons, flags, labels. Here we have some additional, we have our flags that normally go at the top, weekend banner. I love this little bow here. Has some more headers, some work labels, some boxes, some squared off boxes, and then of course, look at that beautiful deco. You gotta love that, guys. You gotta love that. And here we have our bottom washi. So this is so pretty. Have the accents of the faux glitter and gold. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this stuff, guys. It's so adorable. I just love it. I'm so excited with everything that I have received in this winning, in this giveaway. I just think that this is just beautiful. If you haven't purchased one of these and you're interested in a new one, I would say this is really high quality. The stitching in it is gorgeous. It's so nice and soft. It's not one of those really stiff ones that you have to break in. I really like this about it. So yeah, I don't know if this may be vegan leather. I'm not really sure, but I think it is. But it's just so soft and wonderful. And it's so girly. I love that it's white, which makes it so nice and clean. All right, that's going to be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I had to unbox that I won. I don't know if this is still available, if you know, on the Print Impressions site, but I'm sure that you can go to the site and you can get a cover for yourself. They have pin loops, and I do know that they have kits. I don't know if you can get this exact one, but you can look for it regardless. I know there's a lot of people that have done unboxings of these on their channel already, all the way back into early 2019. So I know that this was probably a very, very popular one and has continued to be. So yeah, this is mine now, and I'm really excited. I'm gonna have to go into my collection and start pulling everything that I have that will coordinate with this, and I'm excited to do it. I hope you enjoyed watching my quick unboxing. I hope that you all have a fabulous Happy New Year. I'm gonna try to, it is December 31st. It is New Year's Eve, and I'm going to try to post this on New Year's Day, if not the day after, but I'm going to try to get it done tomorrow. I hope you guys are going to stay safe, have a designated driver, and take care of yourself and love on your loved ones. That's going to be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And that's going to be it. Bye.